Hello! In our first lesson, we will meet the TiTAN board structure, the CC430F5137 microcontroller with MSP430 core, and SmartRF Studio software from Texas Instruments. So, the TiTAN board is a pin-compatible with Arduino board with a built-in CC430F5137 target microcontroller and a programmer debugger, which is implemented on the MSP430F5528 controller. As you may have guessed, the programmer debugger has the same core as the target microcontroller. This choice is not accidental. Texas Instruments provides the programmer debugger source codes for the SFAT Lite family, which are available on the Texas Instruments website. This part of the board is the programmer debugger. And this part is the target microcontroller with its environment. Field for custom items, custom button, chords 32768 Hz, custom LED, high frequency UFL connector. Part of radio frequency 433 MHz by default. The MSP430 core has a wide selection of built-in hardware. You can find the general structure in the Texas Instruments reference documentation. If you carefully study this structure, you will notice a standalone unit marked CC1101. This is not a mistake. This microcontroller really contains two chips. And in my opinion, this is the best solution of Texas Instruments. The TiTAN uses the CC430F5137 microcontroller and contains 32 KB of flash and 4 KB of RAM. The CC430 microcontroller family is presented in the table that you can find in the Texas Instruments reference documentation. I want to pay your attention to the system port mapping, which is not obviously described in the documentation. This system allows you to reassign functions practically to every I/O port. What does it look like? For example, you have decided to use UART pins, which are not intended for this by default. The reassignment system helps you to do this software-based, with just 4 lines of code. Cool, isn't it? In further lessons, we will definitely apply it. But first, let's connect TiTAN to SmartRF Studio and try to create a regular generator at 433 MHz. Start SmartRF Studio and see the following window. Mind that program has found the TiTAN bottom line and automatically highlighted CC430 menu. Double-click on this menu and go to Device Control Panel. Configure the program at the beginning of the range 433 MHz, exactly at 431.120514 MHz as shown in the picture. Connect TiTAN to the spectrum analyzer and don't forget to put the equivalent load of 50 ohm and press the Start button in the program. On your spectrum analyzer, you will see a picture like this. Don't be afraid that the peak falls on the slightly shifted frequency. 431.120514 MHz is the central frequency of the channel, and we pass only zeros. That's the reason of shifting. Congratulations! You just created a radio frequency generator. If you have 2 TiTAN boards, you will be able to experiment with the packet data modes, sniffer mode, and much more. In our further lessons, we will tell you how, with the help of TiTAN, to create your own programs using data transfer. And in the next lesson, we will meet 2 development environments that offers Texas Instruments absolutely for free.